I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file New York sales tax online full guide. Start by gathering your certificate of authority, EIN, sales records, and register for NY. Gov ID to access online services. I'll walk you through choosing filing frequency, entering taxable sales, claiming exemptions, and uploading supporting forms. Stay with me and I'll simplify each step so you can file confidently, avoid penalties, and confirm your submission with a printable receipt. Create a NY, Gov ID and enroll in online services so you can file electronically and manage your sales tax accounts. Log in and link your business using your EIN and certificate of authority, then verify contact and banking details. Set your filing frequency and confirm your preferred payment option. I will guide you through each screen, highlight common pitfalls, and show how to save your confirmation and receipts for easy record keeping. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, I recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading tax guides and receipts on the go. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for your support, it really helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. On the return screen, enter gross sales, exempt sales, and taxable sales lines carefully to avoid errors. Calculate the tax due, apply credits or prepayments, and include any municipal or county rates. Choose your payment method if you owe, or request a refund or carry forward a credit if applicable. I will explain key fields, common exemptions, and how to verify totals before submission so you can file with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.